Availing the occasion, I must thank two of my colleagues sitting here, the Federal Minister for Defense Production, whose contribution has been cited by Honorable Federal Minister for IT, and the National Coordinator of Special Investment Facilitation Council, General Sarfaraz, who has been a great contributor in all such efforts from the country's point of view. Localizing the assembly of Chromebooks will make access to digital tools more affordable and inclusive, particularly in the education sector. But beyond education, this initiative holds great economic significance. It marks an industrial milestone, laying the foundation for jobs, supply chain development, and future technology exports. Google's decision to open a local office in Pakistan is not just symbolic, it is a moment for national pride and powerful endorsement of our country's digital potential. It represents a strategic milestone with far-reaching implications for the digital economy, the innovation ecosystem, and global investor confidence. The local presence will bring Google closer to Pakistan's developers, startups, and entrepreneurs, enabling direct collaboration, capacity building, and great access to global platforms. Let me assure you, the management of Google, you won't regret setting up all this in Pakistan. You will be, the Pakistan is moving fairly fast to achieve the position in the Community of Nations which it was originally destined. It was too far back. It is only 2017 from an macroeconomic unstable country with a prediction of default within 6 to 7 months. In 4 years, we passed the journey where we become the 24th global economy.